Welcome back. In this video we'll talk about Parkinson disease, and we'll focus mainly in the parts that are important for your Step 1 exam. And at the end I've summarized the treatment in a neat way so you can remember it. Parkinson disease is caused by bilateral destruction of the substantia nigra, which is caused by Lewy bodies deposition. It's important to know that Lewy bodies are composed of alpha-synuclein. In Parkinson disease, the symptoms are caused by decreased dopamine, so the treatment will be focused mainly on increasing dopamine. Parkinsonism, on the other hand, is anything that would cause decrease in dopamine, thus resulting in Parkinson disease symptoms. So both Parkinsonism and Parkinson disease have the same symptoms because of decreased dopamine, but Parkinson disease is due to deposition of Lewy bodies, and Parkinsonism due to any other cause other than Lewy bodies. To remember the symptoms of Parkinson disease, remember that Parkinson traps your body. So to treat Parkinson disease, we can give dopamine, and this dopamine can be either ergot or non-ergot. Ergot as in bromocriptine, and non-ergot as pramipexole and ropinirole. We can also increase dopamine by giving dopamine reuptake inhibitors, as in amantadine, which will cause ataxia and livido reticularis. We can also increase dopamine using a modified version of dopamine called levodopa. Levodopa will cross the blood-brain barrier and be metabolized by dopa decarboxylase to produce dopamine. We can also decrease the tremors and rigidity using antimuscarinic agents like benzotropine. And another way to increase dopamine in the brain is by inhibiting COMT enzyme, which will usually break L-dopa. So COMT enzymes inhibitors in the brain are tolcapone and entacapone. COMT enzyme, which breaks dopamine, is also present in tissues, so we also inhibit peripheral COMT enzyme using tolcapone. We can also inhibit peripheral degradation of dopamine using carbidopa. And another enzyme that would break dopamine is monoamine oxidase beta. So we can inhibit it to increase dopamine using silogene and tolcapone. Alright guys, that's everything I've got. Hopefully I made this easier for you, and see you guys later.